Buy low, sell high, why Algorand should be in your portfolio. On today's video, we're going to dive into some technical analysis. We already know the fundamentals are great, but what about the price action? At the time of this video, Algorand is 27 cents, right? This is what it looks like. I am on the daily chart. I drew a line right here. This was pretty much the bottom for this last several months. Ever since March of 2025, it has bounced off the bottom. It hit a nice cross of the 8 and the 21. Went up something crazy in July, retraced back. Now it has found a new bottom over the 200-day moving average. That's the first time it had been there since March 1st, basically, right? So if we go in a little closer, we see Algorand has been channeling, bouncing mostly off of 24 cent as low as 22 cent. I drew this line here because this is kind of the consolidation period. If we pull up our volume shelf, this is where most of the volume price action been happening for the last several months. We are right here. And if Algorand can break through roughly 30 cents, we are off to the races once again. If we go over to the weekly chart, and this is what I mean buy low, sell high, right? So this is essentially the peak was in November 15th of 2021. And if we go over here and use our info here, so we got the volume shelf. This is where most of the price action been since June of 2022. We go from here, raise it up to the peak, which was $2 and roughly 80 cents. That's a 800% gain to basically get to the high of 2021. That's a lot of upside. So if the fundamentals continue to play out, we get something crazy of Algorand testing its high of 2021, just like Ethereum just did. That's an 800% gain, y'all. So this weekly chart looks like Algorand is putting itself in its position, found a bottom, rising above, and once we hit 30 cents, right? And if we go a little bit closer, if we go draw another line here, this here is about 36 cents. So if Algorand then goes from to break this level, hit 30, hits the 36 cents, it is also above the 200-day moving average. Will not just put it only in a bull market on the daily chart, it would also put it in a bull market on the weekly chart. And that's what you need to see in order to get Algorand to go reach some all-time high levels. Now, just to show you a little example, Ethereum right here on the weekly chart got back to the 200-day moving average, bounced from 2,500 up to just about almost 5K, something crazy. If you look at the daily chart, again, June bounced off the 200-day moving average, went crazy. So if we want to see the same type of price action, here we are, bouncing off of the 200 daily moving average. Then it has to work its way here to 35, 36 cents. If this works out, we all have bought low, and if we want to, we can sell high.
Passive income, gold in my dental, thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple.